Go back now. The camera did cut out earlier, so I'm not sure how much of the first part got filmed, but I can retrace my steps just in case. And then I'll find somewhere to sit and I'll show you where I'm at with Junk Journal July. I've not been doing like one page per prompt like a lot of people do. I've made a journal with a fairy theme using the Petal Fairy Papers kit, Fairies Papers kit, and stamps and die cuts and whatever to do with fairies and bits I've got from Happy Mail. And then I'm incorporating the prompts throughout the journal. Some prompts on more than one page and some on one page. So I'm more or less caught up to where we are now. So I'll be able to show you where I am and then be able to continue with it afterwards. Right, I'm going to go through here and see if there's anyone about. Oh, there is some people. Unfortunately, this is usually my secret little garden. Like, a lot of people don't know it exists. But today is different. People have discovered it. A bit overgrown here. Little bench. Oh, they've took away a really big plant there. Isn't that a gigantic one? There's some water over there. And benches and things. There's people sat there. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera away and not say anything. Okay. Oh, that's got an amnesty symbol. Must be an amnesty garden. Lovely. Didn't know that was there. Around here we've got a bench. So this could be an ideal spot for showing you where I'm up to. Let's have a look, see if it's full of cobwebs. Oh, it has got a few. And the spiders in there. I think I'll leave that one, find another bench. Don't want to break the webs and I don't want to end up with spiders on me. Such a lovely peaceful place. And it's amazing that sometimes I come here and I just have the whole place to myself. Oh, lovely little bedding plants in there, all different. I walked back to where we came from and safely, just in case it did cut out before, you'll see this bit then. If not, you've just seen it again. That one, bookshelves. Don't don't know what that means. I don't imagine that's where bookshelves were. There's lots of benches about. So I'm going to go and sit on one of them, and then I can show you where I am. Somebody's not very happy over there, so I'll go elsewhere. This bench here. Just wait till they go by. Right. Well, that side's broken, so I'll sit on this side. I can get my journal parts out to show you. Okay. Just a moment. This is just a quick snapshot of where I'm at, and I'm just doing it by holding the camera in one hand. So these are the 4 signatures. I'll just show you what I've been doing. That will be the first one, so I'll put that there. I'm trying to think which order I've got them in. That's the second one. Right, okay, so that's the first one. So you can see I've used parts of the inspiration sheet collage to cover the front. And then got the actual prompts as the first spread. And then I've used parts of these sheets to decorate the opening from the tissue box has got a stamped image of a fairy, and then parts of the inspiration sheets. And then just a moment. Right, so busy today. And then this is the next one. I've started decorating that side. And so I've put part of the Petal Faith Fairies papers there. I've used a bit of book page that I've folded, pleated, and a tag from my dress. And this lace is from the paper kit, so it's not real lace, it's paper printed from the inspiration kit. And then that's the letter where me and Lindsey invited you to join in and give you creative encouragement. Sorry, the lighting's really poor because of the sun, but I hope you get to see some of it. And that's the next page. Now this one, it's not going to be easy to see in this light. Get a bit nearer. this was the tissue box opening, and I've layered several different layers, and then in between put different things, so there's different things in each layer, and then a piece of the petal fay kit behind. Let's say you may be able to just see, and these things, the parts in between are not stuck down. And then part of the kit there with an actual opening, which I've put a calendar there. So I think I might decorate that side and emphasise July. Sorry, using one hand so it's not easy. And then on the back of the tissue box there, I put a pocket, and I've used part of a lemon pattern tissue paper there and stamped on the back so that I could leave that little message there. Hey, hope you have a sweet day. And then the next part, this was the film that I didn't press record on, where I was doing the favourite poem, because I love doing writing where the ends are all, curled. So that was what I did on that. And so that's just on a bit of book page. I've left these bits of the tissue paper. I'm going to just decorate that end like I have on this end, but I think I'll leave the rest because I love the colour. And then this is just from a pair of trainers. This came through the laces, so I've used that as a tab. And the next page is what I did on the print day, but I haven't put anything over it yet. That's just the background. There's going to be more on that page. And then this page, got a pocket there. The found scrap that I filmed in the last video was a chocolate wrapper, because I saved it because I liked this image on the divine wrapper, and on one side it's purple and lilac, and on the other side it's got this printed black and white image. So I did this collage to show both sides, and because that was a chocolate wrapper, I thought I'd use a chocolate foil of it from a chocolate on that side, and I've just pleated it, folded it over to decorate that tab, and it goes with the purple there and the purple paint, so I can put a tag in there. I haven't done much with that one yet, that's all I've done on that side. And then this is the decorated envelope, so it's an old envelope which I showed in the last video, I think, and put a tag in there. Bits from the inspiration kit there. I put the dotted do there, even though it's not got dots on here, just because I thought that'd be quite a nice name for that little fairy. And this is from another kit of mine. Okay, the sesame slide. The mushroom is a sticker somebody sent me in a happy mail. Don't usually like stickers, but it worked really well there. And I've got an actual coaster in there which goes with the theme. So as you open it, I started this page, we're not finished it yet, so we're not actually on bees, bugs and butterflies, but I was starting to decorate this last night. This is from the inspiration kit, so that's one butterfly. We'll be adding more because there's butterfly there and there's a bee there, and I've made a little nest with my scraps there, so there's bits of thread and all the bits that I've torn off as I've been decorating. And that's from my bird magazine book. Okay, and then the other side, I've covered it with some tissue box from a different tissue box, and just to create some pockets for tags that are from the kit. And I've got a postcard from the kit in there. It'll be better when I show you the proper flip through, because I'm doing it with one hand. Decorated that with one of the postcard journaling cards.